Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Try speaking through your mouth, rather than your nose. It's possible to get a deep nasal voice, but it sounds more masculine if you speak through your mouth. To deepen your voice, you'll want to try and lower your pitch. To do this, relax your throat as much as possible, to avoid tightening your vocal cords.
Let's help you make your mark.
When you hear your voice on a recording, you're only hearing sounds transmitted via air conduction. When you speak and hear your own voice inside your head bones and tissues tend to enhance the lower frequency vibrations. This means that your voice usually sounds fuller and deeper to you than it really is.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you want to get the most out of your voice to make it sound more like a kid, I'd recommend setting the pitch to +1-2 and the formant to +3. The formant is important, otherwise you're only going to sound like a chipmunk. If you're fine with sounding like a chipmunk, use pitch shifter instead.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.